Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday and it's pretty much understood on my channel that every Thursday we go wakeboarding. So today I am on my way back home because unfortunately OWC is actually closed for COVID-19. We all saw that coming, but it's okay because today we're gonna go wake surfing with Jillian. I've actually never wake surfed behind a boat, and I don't know, I feel like it's gotta be similar, you know? So we've got wakeboard in the back and I'm bringing the fish because I do think it's gonna be super fun if we try to wake surf that. So I'll go ahead and see you guys when we get to Jillian's house. We are back from wakeboarding now. It was so fun. G, you did so good. Did you like it?
Yes, I had so much fun. Oh my god.
It was so hard to get up on like the fish, but eventually I got it. I got it at the very end. It was so fun wakeboarding with you. But we're gonna hang out for a little and I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye.
He did not. She's gonna mess up Troy.
Can we appreciate that Luna also stole my spot on the beanbag? So I'm home now, as you guys probably saw, but me and Brie are gonna be the only people in the house for probably the next like 4 or 5 months. While I was at work yesterday, she decided that she was gonna put Fabi's Frida painting in my room and scare me. So literally last night I got home at like, or I guess this morning, I got out of work at like 7 a.m. I'm literally getting in bed and this is what I see. So yeah, I was a little bit creeped out and I already told her that we are literally gonna have a war with this painting because I don't know where I'm gonna hide it next, but I'm gonna try to hide it somewhere so that I can get her next. So I think me and Bria are just gonna be chilling, watching movies. She wants to watch the Real High School Musical because she watched like season 1 on Netflix, but this level so much. What are you doing? What? Okay, let's see. I have your chopped cucumber. Yeah. You're the one who threw it over there. I did that all the time with them. I was like, dang guys, I'm going good. Like I'm on fire. And they're like, why are you like spinning in a circle in that corner? And I'm like, what? Leave the pots there, leave the pots there. Bring plates to the pot. See, now you're just holding a pot. Move, move. You put fish and cucumber. This is a disaster. I don't know. Now our kitchen's on fire. So it's midnight now. Bree already went to bed. I'm finishing up homework. I've got 10 more questions and my chemistry homework due. And I'm watching really old surfing vlogs. So that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.